It's here.
What are you filming? I got some fishies. They're like freedom.
Flopping around.
Daylight. I'm gonna drop them in here so you can see them better, because I gotta pick one out for me. I think I'm already know. So we have some special breeds in here. These brown ones are called Chagoi, and I've been wanting one for years for my pond at home. You're like, why do you want a brown koi? But those Chagoi are really cool because they get really big and really fat, but they are the friendliest of all of the races, of all the varieties of koi. So they will become like the ringleader in the pond as they get bigger, and they'll teach your other koi good behavior, to be friendly and come up and eat and interact with you more. So I've been wanting one forever. And so all of these brown ones are that Chagoi variety. And then we got some butterfly koi in here. So I'm going to start transferring these into their new home. Okay, I've transferred all the butterfly koi out because I didn't need one of those. Now I'm picking from the Chagoi which one I want for my house. I prefer this brown color more than the orangey color, so I'm going to get the orange ones out first and then kind of narrow it down to see which one I want. That one's nice though. This one's orange, but it's got this nice like netting pattern on its back, and it's got this iridescent spot on its head. I might leave that one. That's a contender. It's a tough call. You're out. You're out. All right, I'm down to 2. At this point, they both have real similar color, real similar pattern. I'm looking at the body shape. They both have bodies about as wide as the head, which eventually we want the body to be wider than the head. So I'm looking for a nice shape to the body. I think I'm gonna go with this one. He looks really good, really healthy. Come on, we're gonna go to a nice place.